Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to increase the text size in the Reddit app on your Android phone. If you want to make reading posts easier and more comfortable, follow these simple steps carefully. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Increase Text Size option. Now click on Increase Text Size and enable the toggle for Override Device Settings. Finally, at the bottom, you can adjust the text size by dragging the slider to your preferred size. That's all for this tutorial. Adjusting the text size can really improve your Reddit experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.